Hello, this is the TAU3 engine protector. As you see, has their own temperature sensor. So this is good because if you have any leaks, any holes or radiator or any problem, this will save your engine anyway. At this moment the temperature is rising, as you can see. You see, start the sound, and the sound is more stronger if the temperature rise more. Excellent. At this moment you can see the stop signal, and if you want you can mute this. The system is restored when the temperature fall down, and if I have a second overheating, will sound again.